In the era of energy transformation, Polinovel are establishing a foundation for stability and efficiency. It all begins with our precision-engineered battery modules, which deliver 51.2 volts and 314 amp-hours each. By connecting 11 modules in parallel on a custom-designed rack, we create a powerful battery cluster, managed and protected by a dedicated high-voltage box. To meet the substantial energy demands of commercial and industrial applications, we parallel 3 of these clusters, creating a state-of-the-art energy storage system with a peak voltage of 563.2 volts and a total capacity of 942 amp-hours. This approach ensures internal balance and operational safety. The consolidated power flows through our specially designed DC combiner cabinet and is delivered to a 250 kW bidirectional inverter, which facilitates efficient power conversion between DC and AC for seamless grid interaction and load management. Our innovative architecture guarantees exceptional energy density, safety, scalability, and ease of maintenance. Utilizing high-quality cells and an advanced battery management system, our solutions deliver multiple value streams, including peak shaving and backup power. As a leading manufacturer of commercial and industrial energy storage systems, Polinovel provides comprehensive solutions from core components to fully integrated systems. Discover how we can power your business. Contact us or visit our website today.